In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save filters in Power BI for future use. If you find yourself applying the same set of filters every time you open a report, this simple technique will save you time and keep your work consistent. We'll use Power BI's Bookmarks feature to capture the exact state of your report so you can return to it with a single click. Start in Power BI Desktop on the report page where you want to preserve a specific view. Go to the View tab in the ribbon at the top of the window and enable the Bookmarks pane. When you turn it on, a panel appears, usually on the right side of the screen. Think of this pane as your control center for saving and recalling report states. Next, set up the filters you want to save. This can include slicers on the canvas, selections in visuals, and choices in the filters pane. Take a moment to get everything just right. Pick the categories you want, adjust date ranges, and make sure visuals look the way you expect. It helps to double-check that the page reflects the exact snapshot you'll want to return to later. Bookmarks capture the current configuration of the page, so accuracy here is key. With your desired view in place, look back to the Bookmarks pane and click Add. Power BI immediately saves the current state of the report as a bookmark. Behind the scenes, this captures your filter selections, slicer values, and other on-page states. You've essentially taken a snapshot of the report exactly as you see it now. To use your saved filter setup, try changing a few filters to simulate exploring other scenarios. Once you're ready to jump back, simply click the bookmark you just created in the Bookmarks pane. The report will revert to the saved state, restoring your chosen filters and view in an instant. This is especially handy when you need to compare different scenarios and then quickly return to your baseline configuration without manually reapplying everything. A couple of quick notes as you start using this technique. Bookmarks are stored within your Power BI file, so they travel with the report when you save and share the file. They also work per page, so you'll want to create them on the specific pages where you need them. And because bookmarks remember your setup at the moment you add them, be sure to set the page exactly how you want before saving. That's all it takes. Enable the Bookmarks pane, set your filters, click Add, and use the bookmark whenever you want to return to that saved view.